Hi, this is Prasanna. Today we will be doing a physical lab experiment in system software and particle lab simulation of the deterministic finite automata to simulate the simple concept. Here we can see simulate the simple finite automata. Here the PE of the branch of the computation implementing a deterministic finite automata is also known as DFA in a final state of machine state to accept the final string and the symbol and the procedure a unique concept the automatic on each string. Here we can see the determinate finite is the finite state and the finite state set of input symbols is called as alphabets and the transition functions and initial or a state pointer and a set of actual state. Here we can see the algorithm for the state string interpreting an effect of n characters ADFA which starts with S1 set of accepting states on the output and starts with DFA and accepts the no otherwise mode and C is equals to X chart and where A equals to S dot move here the output state which we can see here the sample table simple input and output state of DFA transition tables here we can see and the input string is APC and the output state. Once we have seen the question, write a program to check the given experiment and the given DFA automatically. Now coming to the code once we have come. Here we can see the code for the program. The input scanner X for picture transfer concepts and the scan less is used for the scan of the string and the input set are nodes and not S and I, J, K and the current and flag. These are the inputs which can be creating a character temp and the string here characters alpha is used. Once we have used here entering a number of states once input state for through enter the number of states and through scanner S and entering a number of final states enter the number of class states enter the number of symbols in the alphabets will be entered across and the input here input state is equal to input state of mass and is then created with final state input of mass and for the following which we have created the input states here which we have created the input states are given here given to create the final and the trap states. As the final transfer the transition with the mouse and envoy and the system dot will enter the number of states and here when the state is s dot next and here enter the final states in the same manner for loop is used for I equals 0 is less than I not I plus plus enter the trap state if this final state is present if not enter the trap state for I equals 0 is less than not and I plus plus trap state and enter the alphabets for the DFA for using first state I equals 0 is less than and I plus plus ALF of I is equals S dot nothing character entering the transfer for the given states. Once we have entered here, the system for loop is used for I is equals to 0 I is less than I plus and for loop is also used for states of state of ij for j is also used. System dot out on the output println and once the transition is complete system dot out when the transition state able to enterprise the system dot output println to state and for loop is used a system dot alpha ALF I is array of I is used and for state I is less than 0 not which we can create it first I j is equal 0 j is less than j plus the system dot only for the transitions system and system will enter for the string for the given alphabets. Once we have completed first state of I equal 0 is less than I less template input state for input equal to p is equal 0 and p of less than and once the template is equal to transition of j and p for I equal 0 is less than or and plus j is equal to final states and system will string acceptance if not else it will be not accepting effects. Once we run this file once we run this file you can see enter the number of input states here we can see the states. Wait a minute please. Here we can see entering the number of states like one finite state. Wait a Here we are entering the trap state as 1 and the next trap state as again and 1, and enter the symbols to the alphabets are symbol to the alphabets are 2. Once we have come to enter the state, which is are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the final states are 6 to the final state, and the trap state is 5. Once we enter the alphabets for the DFA are 0, 1. Once the input state is over, now 1. Again, another one is for 3 output states, and 2 for the output state of 1. We have completed this. We have 1, 2. Here we have completed 1, 2, 3. Once we have completed the final states, then we can see a error person 1, 3, 2. This is the one put state which gives us. Now coming to here, which you can see the table from here, which is corrected. If there is any input string is not accepted, then it will show. It was not accepting the string. This is how we have completed.